Hey, what's going on, guys? For this video, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of these air dryers that I just got. So let's go ahead and cut it open and we'll take a look inside. And of course, I'll do another video after I actually get a chance to use them and try them out myself. But for this one, just wanted to show you how they come. So you can see that you get 3 individually wrapped air dryers in a pack. So I'm going to open one of those up. So it has a recharge when blue dot turns pink. So it has a blue indicator on the front there. So as they start to get kind of full and saturated, I believe what the instruction said was that you just go ahead and take them and put them in the microwave and dry them back out. And that'll turn blue and then they're good to use again. I think they're supposed to be really good for use in like your vehicles. So something like the winter time is when I'll plan on using them. So seasons are changing now. So check it out and see if it actually helps me to keep my windows defrosted and things like that. So again, just wanted to show you what was in the box.